Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you are here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. Today, I'm preparing for my family steamed pork chops, white rice with peas and carrots, and avocado. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. Let's do it. Okay, the rice is almost finished. It still has liquid in it. Now it's time to add the peas and carrots. Okay, they're still somewhat frozen. The liquid in them are going to help the rice to finish up. So just add them on in and give it a good stir. Just like that. Continue watching. Whichever frozen vegetable you have and you want to add it in, go ahead and work it just like this. If you just want to make parsley and rice, do the same. My meat was seasoned before going out, so it's ready. So I'm just going to fry them, halfway fry them in some corn oil before making a shallow gravy. I must recognize my subscribers right here. To you who are returning, God bless you. You are my MVP. Without you, there'd be no new subscribers. To the new subscribers, you are welcome. I appreciate you. And to you, my followers, you're watching, you're out there. What are you waiting on? Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. you watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Please select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. God bless you. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.